Hello, I'm Yisroel Shulman. I'm the president and attorney in charge of the New York Legal Assistance Group. It's also known as NYLAG. Our Constitution provides that everyone has a right to receive a free lawyer in criminal cases. But what about the victim of domestic violence who's trying to free herself from an abusive relationship? Or an individual who's facing mortgage foreclosure and needs representation in civil court to help them undo their mess? Or somebody who's been denied public benefits and needs those benefits in order to survive, to remain at home as opposed to going into a nursing home? NYLAG provides free civil legal services for at-risk, disenfranchised populations in a myriad of civil legal service areas. A recent example of NYLAG at its very best is our work with victims of Superstorm Sandy. NYLAG immediately sprung into action despite being displaced from our main office for over 12 weeks because of flooding. We set up a hotline to help victims of the storm. Our mobile legal help center was out 7 days a week, 18 hours a day to work with victims. We set up community-based lawyering programs, so our lawyers, both paid and volunteer lawyers, went to over 100 different community-based organizations on a regular basis to meet with victims, hear about their civil legal services needs, and develop and implement legal strategies to address those needs. One of the first cases we saw was the case of Sam. Sam lived in Seagate, Brooklyn, for over 40 years. His home was destroyed by the superstorm. Insurance adjusters wanted to give him $21,000. Private adjusters that came in to evaluate the damage said that it would take $200,000 to $250,000 for Sam to be able to rebuild his home. Before finding NYLAG, Sam had no option. He was being told he'd have to sell his property and move to government-subsidized housing. But with our help, we were able to mediate with the insurance company so that Sam received all the necessary funds in order to rebuild his home. On a daily basis, clients contact NYLAG either through their social workers, any one of our hotlines, our general intake number, or at our outreach centers. And clients will say, we have XYZ legal problem. How do we address the situation? We give that client the information they need so that he or she can help themselves. Then we'll actually provide a lawyer to go with them to administrative fair hearing or to appear in any one of the state or federal courts. We're creative, we're innovative, we're energetic. Our staff works day and night to create innovative programs to meet unmet civil legal services needs. With your partnership, we can continue our important work. Thank you.